Welcome to another non-commentary. It's an unboxing in the car. Yes, that's right. My Supermatic Nidecker bindings have arrived. Santa! Thank you, Santa. I'm not moving, so I'm gonna take off my seatbelt. Gonna do the unboxing in the car here. These, I picked them up 2 days ago at the store where I ordered them specially. Large size Supermatics. Maybe we should do this bilingually. 今日はニデッカーの、バインディングスーパーマティックっていうのをどうしても試したくて注文しました。来ましたよ。今日はそのアンボクシングです。First look. First of all, they're both separately in nice little bags. こんなバッグに入っております。そしてこちらは部品関係ですね。We got the leash cord, the old leash. Gotta have your leash cord. So ridiculous, the most ridiculous thing in the world. And discs. So what do we got here? これは多分3ホールも4ホールもいけるやつですね。It's probably the both. You got the 4-hole pattern, and I guess with that one you can do a little 3-hole action if you're riding a Burton board. I don't even know what the Burton boards run. I know some of them have the groove. Excuse me, is that one line down the center? Do some of them still have the 3-hole pattern? I don't even know anymore. I am clueless. 開けます。それではじゃじゃん。So these are the bindings I couldn't remember the name of in the video I did a little while ago, where I talked about bindings and my thoughts on bindings and stuff. And in the comments, someone was kind enough to say, "It's the Supermatics, you idiot." Nidecker Supermatics. Ooh, in an olive green. Olive green. This is kind of the popular color right now. Little sort of, you know, military look, if you will. I'm not much into the military. Respect for everyone who's doing the hard work, but I'm just not into war, really. I should say. I should rephrase that. I'm just not into war. But I love the color olive, and I love a military green, so I'm kind of a hypocrite there. I ordered the green specially. They come in black, white, and olive, I believe, are the 3 colors. So what do we got here? We got a toe strap. That's pretty obvious. We have an interesting looking heel or ankle strap here. So it's got a little connection to the toe strap. And it's sort of like the flow bindings were, but it's got a separate toe strap. Over here, we'll ratchet it in real quick to see what this feels like. Oh, ロックがあるんですね。Ah, I see, I see. So you have a lock on the ratchet. So you got to unlock it to adjust it. See how that works? Oh, you got to pull up on the lock. Okay, I see. Pull up on the lock. Ratchet down. Hold on. Let's get rid of this. Oh, it's got a little tag that says lock. Yeah, this is me. I just never read these things first, you know. Lock. Remember to lock the LSR ratchet lock. Release the levers to set your strap position. はい。ロックするようにと書いております。多分これセットして欲しいところに決まったらロック。欲しいところに決まったらロック。なるほど。これで足を入れて履けると。それでここにリリースっぽいのがあるんですね。はい。で、全然分かってない。あ、こうだ。おー、wild. This is just kind of weird. So, it's a combination between a normal strap-in binding and a step-on, step-in kind of a binding. So you obviously put your foot in here and you're pushing down on this heel piece. The high back comes up, the strap also comes up, and it kind of locks in there, obviously. Gotcha! いきましたね。ステップオンとノーマルバインディングの混ざった新しいデザインでございます。ここに何書いてるんだ？ Automatic, Universal, Dual Entry, Resort, POW, Park。ここになんかちょっとこうチャートがあるんだけど、リゾートは MAX、POW は3分の2、パークは半分。ミッドスティフ、Flex rate is mid stiff. Okay, right in the middle. And we have a QR code for the technical details. If you want the technical details, you gotta QR code it, baby. Man, I am excited to try these out. They feel good. They feel like a binding that I'm gonna like. Just this is very low here though. This is, you don't really, your boot's gonna be like right on the edge here. Doesn't feel like there's much of a rise up on the edge here, whereas some bindings are a little higher. もう一回やってみるね。リリース。ああ、動くね。この中にそのロックのとこ見えるかい？見える。ここにあるんですね、金具。ここにこうロックしていくんだね。That comes down and it locks in. Ooh, there we go. And you do have a nice high back angle adjuster on the back, which is important. Some bindings don't even give you that these days. 後ろにはハイバックのアジャスターが別にあります。これでフォワードリーンを調整できます。これは多分きついね。はい。ちょっと行き過ぎたような気がするけど。We'll go back one. I like it. I like the design. I like the style. I've never used a Nidecker product before, so it's kind of exciting. これは何て書いてある？ Remove me. なるほど。ここにちょっとガードがあるんですね。There's a little guard here. It says to remove it. I like to remove these things quickly. Ah. That was nice. Ooh. Wow, that's shiny. Well, I don't know. I'm all around just kind of pumped. They look great. I'm gonna set it up on one of my boards today. January 1st, we're gonna try the Supermatics from the new year. Out with the old, in with the new. The brand new Nidecker snowboards, Supermatics, 1% for the planet, baby. Hell yeah. This reusable drawstring bag helps reduce the consumption of single-use plastics. Hell yeah again! Okay, now I'm gonna unlock. So, I guess what the deal is, like, if you don't want to do the step in, you can just totally use this, just unlock the ratchets, and then you've got normal binding. Very cool. What else is adjustable here? I feel like there's something else. You want to look at the bottom? That's cool. You can see they got the rod that allows this lever, I guess, lever effect built in underneath there. That looks cool. There's a screw. Another important adjustment that a lot of bindings have, I believe. Can you see that little screw right there? Boy, that's kind of hard to see. The little screw like right in there. I believe you can unscrew that and it looks like you can slide this footbed probably forward a little bit. This is, yeah, it's set furthest back. So me, I got big feet. These are large size bindings, but even that might not be enough. And you do kind of want to get this front little canted toe piece, although this one is not rising up too much. It's got a little bit of a rise. You want to get that, you know, in a good position under your toes. You don't want it too far back and your toes hanging off here a lot. Happens if you have really big feet like me, and you want to kind of pull that forward. Even a centimeter is going to make quite a bit of difference on your toe side edge. All right, that's gonna be about it. I believe that is covering everything. まあ最後に言ったのはこのネジね。この中のネジを緩めて、多分このフットベッドがちょっと前に出せるんだよね。1センチぐらい。3段階あるっぽいけど。足大きい人はちょっと出して合わせた方がいいし、ステップインっぽい感じでやりたくない場合は、普通にこれでラチェットを締める。こっちがなんかちょっと、まだ硬いんだよね。なんだろう。はい、スッと、はい、入りました。あとは、ストラップの硬さは、まあ硬い。なんか、ゴムっていうよりは、プラスチックって感じだね。こっちも。最近結構この辺ゴムっぽい、柔らかいのがあるんだけど、まあこれいい硬さなような気がする。あとここの、やっぱりこの繋がってる感じ、これがどう影響するかが、なんかちょっと楽しみ。これ多分新感覚だと思う。ここにストラップが来るのが、普通これないからね。トーストラップとアンクルで。これがちょっとあることで、なんかもうちょっとなんかこう、手袋っぽい感じ、一体感があるような気がします。うん。楽しみです。Automatic Universal Dual Entry. Okay, that's it. Supermatics. 楽しみです。新年からスタート。I will give you a full review of the Supermatic bindings in the new year. I just need to get on them. I need to get on them. I need to get them on a board, and then we're going to be good to go. All right. またねー。